Cause you have
I
manners, my
like
sister.
girls now. You fucking
Yeah.
Listen to me, man.
No
Stop
man
your
can touch
nice.
a man.
No, I like
Hey.
girls. I like girls.
I told you you're
I like
young, you're
girls.
confused.
I like girls.
That's
If you
why you was
like girls,
easily
come
able to
DM me.
manipulate you, baby.
Yeah.
All right, let me add somebody else here, miss.
Alright.
Big up
Thank
yourself.
you.
This is crazy. No, some me know.
Hey, why? I just got a private relationship. Come, can't bother. Cause when me shot him, I just wait hear about the
Wait,
shooting.
hold on. Cass, I want to ask one more question about the car.
What car?
No, okay, so what made him not,
Yeah, the $1,500.
so what made him not give you the money for the car? Like, how long was it from when you asked him till you realized he wasn't going to give you the money?
His wife is gonna suspect him pulling large money at the account.
Okay.
That was his excuse. That's his excuse. Yeah. So he was gonna fly me Tuesday, fly me out. So go get the money.
So all of this was
This
the
bus
whole
stop.
car.
So why you never wait till you get the car?
Shani, you fucked up my mind.
Yeah, why you should have wait till you get the money?
Yeah, so Shani did. She never knows that she's screen record. Remember? She's like, you know.
Yeah, but I'm saying you should have called Shani after you got the
Yeah.
money.
I feel like
No,
you should have.
it's been. She been contact her. She been. I'm not, that's all.
Oh.
I she just jumped and got do it. We never knew.
Oh, so when did you contact her
It
then?
was
This
like
shit is
weeks.
spicy.
How long ago?
Like 2 weeks after. Like 2 weeks after about I found out about Shani and him, and he was like, "Babe, it's a prank." And I was like, just thinking, like, man, I'm not.
Oh, so that's when you reached out to her.
Yeah.
And she just dropping this shit now.
Yes.
That's what Shani used a wicked blood clot girl. Shani used a wicked blood clot girl.
But
oh my God!
no,
So that's why he blaming her.
Listen, I don't think that Shani. I'm not taking up for her because Team Cass. But I don't think that Shani knew because when you have a certain amount of followers, you don't see the people DM. She probably why.
Knew what? You cut off. Y'all cutting off.
I said I don't think Shani had seen her DM when she sent it to her. She probably seen it later on, and then that's why. You know how it goes to like message requests and accept. When you have a certain amount of followers.
No, they were on the phone. They were talking everything. Them up on the phone. She knew. She answered our message and everything.
Okay. We have the video because it's screen recording, and you can even see when screen recording because it's so glitchy and shit. And let me show you how it looked without screen recording.
Okay.
So you didn't know shit that she was gonna post that was a conversation you had weeks ago with her.
Yes.
So y'all